ADP Workforce Manager comes with a reporting feature that provides standard reports. You can easily capture information for specified time periods and organize your relevant business data. Reports can be created in 4 different formats: PDF, CSV, XLSX, and interactive. We'll review how to generate each of these reporting options. To run reports, you must access the report library. To begin, from the home page, select Main menu. Then select Data Views and Reports. Then select Report Library. On the Report Library page, there are 3 sections. The Completed section lists reports that have run in the past. The In Progress section lists reports that are currently generating. And the Upcoming Reports section lists any reports scheduled to run in the future. Let's run a new report. Start by selecting the Run Report icon in the upper left corner of the page. A list of report types display in the Select Report panel. For this demonstration, select Timekeeping. From the list of standard timekeeping report options, scroll down and select Time Detail. When you select a report, a description of the report displays. This allows you to decide if this is the report you need to run, and if not, you can simply select a different one. The Time Detail Report is a common report run by managers who want to view detailed data about each employee's punches, duration, and pay code edits for a specified period of time. Every report will ask at least 3 questions. What time period do you want to run the report for? What employees do you want to include in the results, which is the hyperfine query? And what output format do you want to view the report? Certain reports may ask additional questions. For this demonstration, select the timeframe field, then select Current Schedule Period. For the hyperfine field, leave the default value of all home. For the output format field, select CSV. Then select Run Report. And then select OK. This returns you to the report library, where you can view the report in the Completed section. When you open the CSV file, it displays the information so you can easily reformat and distribute it. The Excel XLSX output format is very similar to CSV. The main differences are XLSX allows you to perform functions and consumes more memory than CSV. Let's run the same time details report, only this time we'll generate it as a PDF. Begin by selecting the time frame of the current schedule period. For the output format, select PDF, select Run Report, and then select OK. Next, you must select a location. Then select Save. This returns you to the report library, where you can view the report in the Completed section. Running the report as a PDF is a great way to present and share data with others in your organization. This time, let's run the time detail report for an interactive output format. It is important to note that with interactive reports, you can only customize the report if it is 200 pages or less. If the report is larger than that, it becomes read-only. Due to this limitation, we'll need to adjust some of the report preferences. Start by selecting the Run Report icon. Next, select Timekeeping, then scroll down to select the Time Detail Report. We'll then select the time frame of the previous pay period. For this demonstration, let's select the hyperfine field employees with exceptions. For the output format, select Interactive, then select Run Report. And then finally select OK. Interactive reports open within ADP Workforce Manager. Let's review a few options to personalize the report. Start by selecting the Transaction Applied Date column. Then select the ellipsis. In menu displays, select Sort, and then select Sort Descending. You can sort interactive reports by as many as 3 fields in ascending or descending order. Let's further personalize the report. Select the Money column, then select the ellipsis. From the menu, select Aggregation. Select the Select Function field. Interactive reports allow you to create aggregate data such as sums, standard deviations, rankings, averages, and so on. For this demonstration, we'll leave the default value of SUM. In the Aggregate On field, select Group Level, and then in the Interlabel field add SUM. Select OK. The SUM footer now displays in the Money column footer. Finally, let's reorder a column. Select the Hours column, then select the ellipsis. From the menu, select Column, and then select Reorder Columns. From the list, select Hours, then select the down arrow, and then select OK. Notice the Hours columns now displays after the Money column. Personalizing your interactive reports is easy. However, you also have the option to export the data to another program. Let's show how easy it is to export data from an interactive report. Select the Hours column, select the ellipsis, and then select Export Content. When you select the Export Format column, a list of output types display. We will leave the default of XLSX. Each output format also lists available page settings. Select Page Settings to view the list. We'll leave the default settings and select OK. Select the location, then select Save. When you've opened the file, it displays the information so you can easily reformat and distribute it. Let's close the report and return to the report library where the interactive report now displays. ADP Workforce Manager also allows you to schedule reports to run at a future time or repeatedly at specified intervals. This functionality will save you time and effort. To schedule a report, select the Report Jobs icon in the upper left corner of the report library. On the Reporting Jobs page, you'll find reports already scheduled to run. Let's schedule another report. Begin by selecting the Schedule Report icon. Then in the Select Report panel, select Timekeeping, then select Exceptions. In the Reporting Jobs panel, let's enter the report parameters. Start by leaving the default values for the timeframe and hyperfine fields. Next, for the Exception Types field, select the ellipsis and then select Early In, Early Out, Late In, Late Out, Long Break, and then select Apply. In the Output field, select Interactive, Desktop Only. Then in the Schedule field, select Recurring Scheduled Run. In the Recurrence panel, for the Recurrence field, select the drop-down arrow and select by day. We'll select a start date and leave the end date with the default value of forever. And then select Apply. To receive the scheduled report, you must enter your name in the Select People field. Begin by simply entering the last few letters of your last name, and then select your name. If you want others to also receive the report, simply enter the last few letters of their name in the Select People field, and then select the employee. You can also schedule emails of the report to be sent to you and others in your organization by selecting Send as Email Attachment. For this demonstration, we will not select it. After entering all your parameters, select Schedule Report. You can schedule as many reports as you need, eliminating the need for manual report generation and freeing up your valuable time to perform other tasks. Keep in mind that regardless of the report output format you select, or the frequency the reports are run, the information is static. Using the reports in ADP Workforce Manager is a great way for you and your organization to use data to monitor and support your employees while increasing efficiency.